Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about 4-3, which is on relations. So the few types we're going to be, we have mapping, tables, graphs, domain ranges. So a map illustrates how each element of the domain is paired with the element of the range. Domain would be all your x values. Range would be all your y values. And then inverse is if you take the coordinates and you flip them. So an example of that is if, let's say I had 3, 4, the inverse of 3, 4 is going to be 4, 3. Okay. So they're going to give you some ordered pairs today, and we have to do the different types of them. So first off, I'm going to take these ordered pairs and I'm going to put them in a table. Now with a table, we're talking about an XY table, and you're going to start with the lowest X value. So that'd be -2, and then 0, and then 1. And then you're going to write the Y value that coordinates with each X value. So -2, 4. So I'm going to put a 4 right there. 0 goes with 3, so I'm going to put a 3 right here. 1, 2, so I'm going to put a 2 right here. Okay, so that's a table. Graph is you're just going to graph them on a coordinate plane. So you'll make a coordinate plane, and then we'll graph these. So 1, 2, -2, 4, and 0, 3, like that. Now mapping is a new one. What mapping is we're going to have two ovals, okay? And one's an X oval and one's a Y oval. And in both columns, you're going to put them in order from least to greatest. So -2 starts at the top, then 0, then 1. Then you're going to do the same thing with this side. So 2, 3, 4. Now what we do is we draw an arrow to what it connects to, meaning -2 goes with 4. 0 goes with 3. 1 goes with 2. And then you're done mapping. And then for domain, you just write all your X values in order. So -2, 0, 1. For your ranges, you write all your Y values. So 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we'll do a couple more of those. So like right here, we'll start with a table. Remember, your X column on your table goes in order from least to greatest. So -4, 1, 4. Your Y values are just where it connects. So -4 is 0, 1, 4, 4, 8. Then you're going to graph them. So we have -4, 0 right there. 1, 4, and 4, 8. And you do not need to connect them. You just got to put them a dot. Mapping, you're going to make two ovals. One is your X values, one is your Y values, and they go in order from least to greatest. So -4, 1, 4, 0, 4, 8. -4 connects to 0. 1 connects to 4. 4 connects to 8. And then we write all of our domains, -4, 1, 4. Write all of our ranges, 0, 4, 8. And you're done. Let's try one more. So start off with your domains, and I'm going to add one in here. I'm going to put, let's go 5, 6. So you start with your tables. Now we have two, obviously, that match up. So we're going to start with the smallest, 2, 3, and then 5, 5. Now when you're doing the Y values, you have 2, 4, 3, 6, 5, 10, and 5, 6. We're just going to go in order. The Y's being not in order is okay. Then you're going to graph them. So 2, or I need to go up to 10. So 2, 4, 3, 6, 5, 10, and 5, 6. Something like that. Now we're going to make a map. So remember, you have an X column and a Y column. Now with maps, the cool thing is you don't need to put a number more than once, meaning see how I have 2 5s in my X column? I only need to put that once. And then same thing with the Y's. I put them in order from least to greatest, but I have 2 6s, a 6 and a 6, so I'm only going to put that once. And what you do is you're going to draw your arrows. 3 goes to 6. Now 5 is going to go to 10. And 5 is going to go to 6. So you're going to have 2 arrows off of the 5 because it goes in 2 separate numbers. Then when you're writing your domains, you only need to write your X values once. So 2, 3, and 5. Ranges would be 4, 6, and 10. And that's it. That's how you do mapping, guys. So hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully you understand it. Thanks for watching, guys.